plan too. So I guess it's not really um a new text for me. So yeah,
Oh
I could
yeah,
do it.
I see. So
Mhm.
making a business plan is not something new in your world,
Something new. Yeah.
not something new. Okay, so it's been familiar with your school activity, and
Yeah.
you have faced a lot of things related with business plans at school, right?
Mhm.
Because you're taking
Yeah.
accountant.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah, I think I have to thank you so a lot for your work, and you have written your business plan. And what I want now is, would you please present your business plan and what you're going to do from the first start, second start until the end.
Okay.
Okay, would you start, please?
Okay. So I'm going to start a business called Sago Splash. So it was a dessert, a refreshing treat made out sago pearls, jelly, and sweeteners, and such as like a condensed milk and syrup. And it's a perfect dessert for hot days, especially in Indonesia, hot weather. And um, we are students who enjoy making creative snacks. Sago Splash is a unique dessert that's tasty, colorful, and fresh. Our target market is a Gen Z and kids, especially someone who loves a cold dessert and someone who looking for a cool dessert. And our goal is to bring local favorites to more people in a fun way.
Okay.
And I guess people will love our dessert because it is refreshing and I guess it is Instagram worthy.
Okay.
And have various flavors and a lot of toppings and jellies. And I guess we will sell it at school events,
Mhm.
food bazaar, or and we are continuing to promote on our social media to to make it public known our dessert.
Okay.
And
Hold on. Have you ever presented your food, your dessert at school?
yes, probably like once or twice at my
Yeah.
school.
Okay. So
And
in what event did you present it?
actually, I presented for my practical examination and sometimes an assignment from
Mhm.
my teacher to make a business plan, and we present it at school.
Oh yeah. Very nice. Okay, please go on.
Yeah, and we will recruit people who are responsible in their work and can work quickly, efficiently, and diligently to make the business runs well.
Yeah.
And we will make Sago Splash at home in a small kitchen, and we need a cooler box or refrigerator and some cooking tools, cups with lids, spoons, labels, and fresh ingredients.
Yeah.
And lastly, we're going to talking about the costs, and I guess we need the startup costs, probably $2,000. It is for the ingredients
Mhm.
and a lot of tools that we use for to make Sago Splash, and we will sell the price like $1 or $2 per cups, and we uh have the cost price 0.7 dollar per cups, and we will gain a profit um like 0.80 dollars per cups,
Yeah.
and we will reinvest the profits to improve our recipes and packaging, and we aim to pay back any investors by the second year.
Yeah.
Uh, I
Okay.
think that's all.
Yeah. So to make your business successful in the future, what qualities or skills would you plan to do from now? And what qualities do you expect from your future employers?
Um, I guess we must be determined about what kind of business that we want to run, that we have to take it seriously um, and hoping to uh, the business became more successful in the future. And I guess we need employees who are um, diligent and responsible, and they're really want to runs our business to become success. Yeah, I think that's was the most important thing to make the teamwork goes well and the business goes well.
Okay, so the priority is dedication. Okay, so you really
Yeah.
want higher dedication from your employers and
Mhm.
seriousness, commitment, and interest to work, right? So you expect your employers to love working and to
Yeah.
have something like a thinking of ownership. So
Mm,
when employer feels that she or he owns the work or the company, I think things will work or run very well in the future. So
mm,
because teamwork is really very number one to be successful, especially to do the work.
yeah.
Okay. So the business plan that you made is a kind of culinary, something like that, right?
Yeah, culinary.
Something like culinary, and you you plan to promote that on Instagram.
Mm-hmm.
And how do you think you would sell your products? Would you deliver it online, or would you open an outlet, special outlet for your business?
Probably in the beginning we just sell it to our friends or teacher or families, like the close one. But if it is our business grows well and it develop really well, we could sell it online and
Mhm.
opening an outlet, like you said before, if it's capable and we capable to promote our dessert to um, to become more popular, I guess, in the future. So yeah, we should try to promote to the public to make a lot of more customers to give a trust and love our dessert.
Okay, yeah, I really appreciate that, and that's really interesting to know from you about the business plan. Yeah, I think I agree with you. First step as a startup business, you have to start from family first. Okay, you gotta
Mhm.
operate to your family first and friends and close friends and local people to support you, and you need that very much. And after that, after you have seen the growth, how well it grows and runs, based on the niche that you are taking. I think you can think about other strategies to promote your business. Yeah. Yeah, very nice to know that information from you, Fira. So well done and congratulations. And hopefully this plan can be applicable in the future. And to make it happen, of course, first you must dream, okay? Dream it and make it happen, okay? So thank you very much for your time. And I think it's all done about your project, about the business plan today, and we
Mhm.
are going to continue to other uh, activity.